This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to begin. Install VS Code and the runtime for your language, then open the project folder immediately. Once done, add a language extension, a debugger, and a formatter so you can write and test code. Make sure to set your default shell and theme for comfort. Use Ctrl+P to find files fast and pin the terminal. These steps get your workspace productive right away and avoid repetitive setup later. Now focus on configuration and repeatable workflows. You'll edit settings, JSON to enforce formatting and key bindings, JSON to speed edits, this reduces friction, then configure tasks, JSON for builds and launch, JSON for debug profiles so running code is one keystroke. Use the integrated terminal alongside the editor to keep context. Finally, use the source control pane, stage changes, create branches, and run commits. That keeps history clean and integrates with CI pipelines. These steps finish by running lint and tests to validate everything. You want a clean green build before merging. Once done, tidy settings, disable unused extensions and close heavy workspaces to recover performance. If an extension causes problems, disable it and restart. If settings are corrupted, open a fresh user-level settings file. As a last resort, clear the workspace cache or reinstall VS Code. If something
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.